There was a condition that you couldn't see. I didn't lose my baking mojo, y'all. The brownie was modified, so it's gluten-free and vegan based on someone's dietary needs. So that was information that you didn't have before you tried it. And that condition changed the texture, didn't it? It's not your typical brownie. So you rated it based on the facts that you have. Now remember, it's the same dessert, you just have different information now. The missing information that I didn't have when I got the phone call about my dad at the beginning, and I don't think I said it, he had late-stage Alzheimer's. That's what was unfolding and was causing all the phone calls to the police department and the paranoia. But when I got that phone call, I didn't know. My brain was just like, oh my goodness, he's in New York, I've got to do something. And that's what happens. And that's not any different than how we assess people as well. Now, people typically don't change every night, but what changes is what we know or what we never knew. And we score the outcomes without the understanding of conditions. Remember, it's the facts that we don't see. So we're coming to our own conclusions. Now, some will call it performance management, but often it's information management because you're managing what you have access to. So let's talk about employees for a moment. Employees, their output shifts, their availability changes, their energy drops, and that little gerbil on the wheel is going around thinking, your brain's filling in the blanks. And you're saying, oh, they don't care. They're disengaged. Maybe they're looking for another job because we don't know what's actually going on. So conditions change, but we're making the assessment as if we have the full story.